Hey, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my Smart Assistant channel. I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a fun Instagram story using the for 2024 Show Us You at 24 Add Yours template on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If not, tap on Update and wait a few seconds for the app to update. Once done, tap on Open to enter your Instagram app. The next step is to tap the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen to open the search, then type in Add Your Sticks. Once you've done that, enter the profile named Add Yours IG. When you're on the profile, find the highlighted story titled January 2024 P2 and enter it. Among these stories, locate the one titled For 2024 Show Us You at 24, then tap on the Add Yours sticker. The Instagram camera will open with this sticker. Now, you can insert a picture from your gallery or take one directly using the Instagram camera. After this, your story is ready to be posted. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you soon. Goodbye.